Got a demonstration here of this Maxhub wide angle 180 degree camera. As you can see, as I enter this meeting, it's going to pull up a frame for my face, and I'll hold this away from my face so that it knows that I am a face. I can move off to the side here and it will just keep on retracking down to where I move to. Our other participants will move around as well, and you'll see the camera keeps on tracking wherever they move to. Very good for wide rooms like this, and we do have some other options here in the top right hand corner of the screen. You can see here the manual PTZ, where I can just basically move this cursor to whoever I want in the meeting, and it stitches all three cameras together to make it like a standard PTZ camera. If I want to look at Carolina and then zoom in or out, I basically just change the bounding box like that. And then the last option here is basically just one wide angle of the room. So this is obviously very good if there's lots of different people. If we spread all the way out, you can see it automatically just zooms out to cover all the people in the room, out to Carolina there right at the edge of this long boardroom table. AV King if you'd like a demonstration of one of these Maxhub cameras in your place of business in Brisbane. Thank you.